Hey guys, what is up? So here I have the SD card case which can hold up to 24 SD cards at a time. So there are slots for micro SD cards and also for the larger SD cards. So this is very good. It's a portable package. So there are total 12 big SD cards and 12 small SD cards. So it is great for camera usage or even for Raspberry Pi SD cards. That's why I have brought it. So as you can see, it is having a pretty good design. Also, it has a dent pre-installed, or actually there already. And you can see there's a lot of storage, as I said, and it is made out of rubber, the internal part, and the outer part is made out of plastic. So as you can see, it is pretty flexible, it is of very good material, and you can use it very nicely. So now I'm going to add all my Raspberry Pi and all the other SD cards I have into this, and I'm going to show you how it fits all together. So let's put it up, and I bought this from AliExpress a long time ago. It was about December when this arrived at my home, so no issues with that. And as you can see, everything fit in perfectly, and this is a hand wristband, or like a grip band for it, so it is also pretty good quality. It's a decent band, no complaints about that. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, no complaints. It's not bad, it's pretty decent, you can use it, and it's actually a pretty good form factor as well, and it is very durable. So things like, this SD card wasn't put in properly, but everything else stays intact inside and it won't fall down. As you can see, I'm throwing it here and it still stays intact. So now currently, as I'm recording my voiceover, this is actually currently full, so I have full of my SD cards. So it is pretty good, and I'm actually holding it in my hand currently. And actually, it's pretty heavy, it's a good amount of heft. And yeah, this was this video, quick video, and thanks for watching. If you disliked the video, you know what to do, and if you liked it, then get subscribed, like this video, and turn on those notifications so you get notified when I upload a new video. I'm trying to push to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me out, guys. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and stay safe.